Chaser. Tunnel Chaser, is that you? Vince. Vince, Tunnel Chaser. Oh, wait, no, that guy drives his. Oh, huh. Nothing like a little photo shoot with the old Bruce. Well, Mike did end up making an appearance. Go down to the next one. Down to the next one. And we got Jonathan M. Turner. Oh boy. Now it's a party, guys. Check out the shirt too. Oh no. Well, Grandpa is back, guys. If you don't know who Mike is, definitely check him out. Street Speed 717. I don't even know why I said that. I'm sure you guys know who he is. He created the feller that I am right now. But Grandpa's back. I can't wait till you're ready to sell this one.
We made it. Oh, you know I will at some point.
Definitely.
Be ready.
I better be first in line.
You better have that stack of cash, right?
Oh, definitely. I'll trade the Civic in.
All right. What's up, buddy? Oh, I enjoyed it. Such a nice time.
What the?
All right.
He did it.
We are here.
He's officially dressed like Antonio Barone.
I know. Where's Tony at?
Where's the Antonio Barone
Tony
at?
at?
His vet's here.
Where's he at? Where's Tony at?
I guarantee. No, he's probably got
like him.
basketball shorts
Yeah,
on.
yeah, definitely. Basketball.
Definitely.
What's up, dude?
Big
How you
dog.
doing, man? I brought my race car out today.
I gotta pop it, even though it's not mine.
Just kind of. Oh, that's okay.
What's that? Yeah.
Is Tony here?
Did you race it yet?
Wait, John, is he Costco?
What? I don't know. I actually haven't talked to him.
Nothing we can do. I got you.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry to leave you guys on a little bit of a cliffhanger, but we will pick up from that video after this video here. Now, I wanted to come out and say we did support our local police departments. As you do know, we got the Bruce out here, we got our lowered Civic, we got the F450, we have PA street scene here, but my local police department has always, you know, been behind me. They've helped me out in situations and, you know, answered questions when I needed them. So we're definitely out here to show our support. So I'm going to do a rundown of the car show. We obviously have Mike Street Speed 717. He showed up, and a couple other YouTubers, which is awesome. So I'm going to go through, kind of show you some of the cars that showed up today, and just kind of show my appreciation towards the police department. Beautiful car. 62.
That's close. I was like,
Nice.
yeah, because my pop's got a 60.
Thanks for coming out. Beautiful car.
I tried to bring that here. That fucking telephone pole.
Yeah.
And then when you slow that down to 50%, it'll look really good. Can you do that in your editing? How do I slow it down to 50%? You have to slow it down to 50% when you edit. Yeah, right now.
Now, one of the things that I love about these shows is you see a little bit of everything, from old school GTO to new school GTO over on this side. You know, you get a HHR out here, you get a Beetle, you get some kind of Mack truck, which is freaking cool. You got your Charger RT, your Grand Sport over there. And then you come over here, you got your Ford Falcon, your Mustang, you got your small block Chevy, GMC. I believe it is just a Sonoma, but look how clean some of these builds are. Like, you guys don't understand how much time it takes to get down into, you know, a build such as this. Like, this thing is freaking clean. So Danny, you need to step your game up and get your car done, because I can't wait to see your Extreme. Slow Restoration, if you guys don't know him, definitely check him out. Then you got your Cadillac. your C2 and it just goes down and down. So these shows are freaking cool. It brings literally the entire community together, and that's what's awesome. Small town living, that's what I'm all about. I love it, guys. Then you come up here to the rich kid section and you got your McLaren, you got your grandpa Corvette. What a weird outfit he's wearing. You got a GT350, beautiful car, kind of looking like Stang Mode a little bit. So Stang Mode, there's your one and only shout out that you're able to hear from me. Stang Mode definitely sucks. Thank you, Mike, for saying that. I didn't want to be the first to say it, but then you got my buddy Z06. You guys have seen this. If you have not, it's definitely been on the channel time and time again. But Jonathan M. Turner, he is literally that little like character that Mike inserts in his video every now and then. Yeah, it just drops him every now and then. Yeah.
That's not even a real human being.
Yeah, he's just a character. He literally called you today and said, hey, I need your body. I need your character today. I learned from Mike, which is one of the best YouTubers I've ever known. So he's taught me all the clickbaiting and everything like that. So that is the reason why
You taught those all on your own,
Hey,
buddy. Don't try to fool your people.
he got me in this, guy. So we're gonna roll the footage from the Bruce going four-wheeling, and we're trying to get the Blazer
The
out.
guy called me last night. He's like, I'm gonna stop the video right before I get into the water. That way it's a cliffhanger. Then I'll do the real off-roading tomorrow.
It's too windy, we can't hear you. All right, roll the footage. Obviously, we got Mikey out here, the OG Zilla. Definitely check him out. Bye, Mikey. That thing is sick. Diesel Land Cruiser, guys. Definitely check out some of his videos.
He's afraid of all these cars around, I bet.
He looks nervous. If nothing else, those things sound good. He didn't really go anywhere. Look, he accelerated about as fast as that RAV4. Oh, that S10 went the other way. Oh. He surprised me. I didn't think he was gonna do it. Yeah.